For once, the Husqvarna is actually functioning, but I've had a long time oil problem. I need to fill her up after every run. She's been to the workshop lots of times, and I've pressed the issue that she's drinking oil. They haven't really done anything about it, so I'm a bit uncertain that I'm doing right now, because this is the fuel pump, and I've noticed that we got lots of oil leakage here, but this is like the fuel pump, so I'm not sure if it's the right spot, but where you see the oil leak, it should be, you know. So I took the matter in my own hands and ordered a Briggs and Stratton fuel pump. It's kind of tricky ordering the right stuff when you've never done it before. It's looked like identical to the one sitting here. And I figured it should be an easy job to remove this one and replace it with a new one. It has two of these plugs. So I'm just gonna try to remove, this seems to be a lid here. Oh, so it just popped out. And over there, the other one. So I want to get this one out without ruining anything. Whew, I got the second one out. That was a bit tricky, but it worked. So I'm gonna remove the gas lines first. This one clearly goes to the fuel tank, got a filter there, and this one goes to the engine. But this third one actually goes away to the oil. So I think something's broken here and it's leaking oil. Close up, you can see that lots of black goo over here. That went fairly easy. So I'm just gonna put back the tubes in the right place and we're good then. Boink. The last few slang. With a new pump on, I'm just gonna test drive the engine for a while to see that everything is working before I fasten it. Wow, that went without a hitch. I feel safe to fasten this one and start driving. I'm just going to fill her up with oil and clean up everything very thoroughly with paper towels and see if she leaks any more oil. That's a weird thing. I thought the mechanics would like, hey, you got an oil leak here. But I can see clear as day, but I don't know. When like you're an amateur, you don't want to ask because you don't want to embarrass yourself. And the bricka should be on the inside. Push them on. It's a bit tough to do that only with your fingers, so doing some hammering here. Seems to do the trick. Just do the same thing on the other side. Try to push this one in with my fingers. Yeah! The other one was a bit hard because I couldn't reach it. Well, that went easy. I think anyone can switch a fuel pump on a Briggs and Stratton. And the thing is that I'm going to keep an eye on this one, and especially the oil values. This looks good. I'm happy. See you on the next run.